guys, what's up you all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys this question. So this is a kind of a high requested video. This person really wants an answer, so I'm gonna be answering that question. Okay, so the person says, Richie 18, she says, thanks for that. Can I use InShot materials without copyright issues? I mean materials like InShot intros and outro videos, etc. Okay, let me break it down. If you guys watch the video where I talked about how to edit your video on InShot tutorial, something like that, so that's where this comment is coming from. So before I go further, I would like to break it down. Okay, so number one is, if you are using InShot in free version, then you have problem with copyright issues. Okay, because the free version, you didn't pay for anything. But for example, the music, you need to copy it. When you use somebody's music, you see where they will tell you there. I'll put it in the screen for you guys to see what I mean. So when they ask you, if you use the music, you have to copy this thing. They will show you where to copy, and you place it in your description, the description of the video you used, to avoid copyright issue from that particular person. Okay, ones that are for free versions, and there are the one that's for paid version. Okay, so the music issue is not only for a paid version. If you're using it free or paid, you must copy that thing and put it in your description. Does this answer your question? And again, if you are using a paid version and you want to edit, use intros, outro, you will have zero issues. Okay, so it's the zero issues is because you are using the paid version. So like for example, I'm using a paid version, so the paid version of it, I use everything in InShot, so there is no copyright issue. So I've been using this since 4 years, no copyright issue. So that is why I'm giving you this answer through my own experience, because it's a paid version. I paid for everything and I pay yearly. Okay, so I don't have any single copyright issues. But I don't use their music, because their music, when you use it, you have to copy it in your link, and as well as pay or credit the person that owns the music. Okay, so for me not to have problem in future, and I don't really trust that copy into the description of a thing, because in future the person might file you, or maybe you have a copyright claim on it, and because you didn't pay, you'll be having guilty conscience and all of that. Imagine doing a beautiful video and you use the music from InShot without crediting the person in question, and at the end of it you will find out that YouTube will tell you that you have a copyright claim, and trying to remove the video, if it's a video where you talked, and you have to also remove your voice, only the music will be playing. So how do you go about doing that? So I would suggest, when it comes to music, I would suggest that you should use type in YouTube non-copyright, okay, music, and add it to your intro and outro, or better still, go to YouTube library. That's where I get most of my musics from. Okay, so you will never have issues again if you are using the paid version. But if you are using the free version, you cannot even use anything, because anyone you click, InShot will tell you that you need to go pro, so you cannot use their paid version things. Okay, so if you are in free version, but if you are in paid version, you can use everything. And I would prefer you to use a paid version, because with paid version you will have zero issue. Okay, it will make your life so easy and stress-free. Trust me, you will like it. And I hope this answers your question, and if you still need my help, please don't forget to comment, and I will be there, and I'll be glad to help you. Remain blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye.